Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your BIGME HiBreak Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is basically clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. It's very important to use anything that's not metallic and that's able to clean it, because whenever you damage the microphone port, it can only get worse and not better. So you can totally destroy your microphone by doing that. Now after that, what you guys can do is test the mic in the voice recorder or any other app. You guys can also call somebody, but here we have the voice recorder, and as you guys can see here, we can start the recording. So we can start it like that, as you guys can see. Now the recording is right here, and we can either delete it or keep it to ourselves to check if the microphone is any better or just working. Now what you guys can do next is update the software to fix any mic glitches. So go over to settings. Now here what you guys need to do is go over, let me show you, we need to scroll a bit down, go to system, and here go to system update. Now here we can check for the update, and I'm running the latest version. You guys can also check for the second software update. So go over to more settings, and here we have the Android settings. Now let's scroll down and go to system. Now go to system update, and here check if your system is up to date. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.